Hello everybody. What we're going to do today is just go through the basics of making basic text changes within the site. So we'll start at the beginning. So we'll log in at the top here. Now what we want to do is go to the top left hand corner of the screen where it says the Church Methodist Church text, and beneath there it says visit site. So that's what we're going to do now. We click on there and now the site appears, but in addition we now have this black bar across the top, which now gives us the ability to edit the page. So the way in which the page is constructed is with separate columns and sections. Certain sections can be edited from within the page section. Others are in a different location. So for example, this coming soon section is actually located in a different place. So when we look at the back end of this page, this text will not actually be visible at this point, but we will cover that in a little while. So if we wanted to change the contents of this middle column here, then it's nice and straightforward for you. Or perhaps if for whatever reason there's new information to replace this or to enhance it, then this is how you'd make those text changes. So we pop up to the top to our new bar and click on edit page. So for now, let's just look at the most basic type of changes, which is just to change existing content. So when I hover over the text, you can see nice and clearly that there's a green bar that appears, and this bar performs several functions. It has 4 functions. It allows me to drag and move the content to a different location. It allows me, where the pen tool is, for me to click and edit the content. It also allows me to duplicate the content. And finally, it also allows me to delete the content. So obviously, all we're going to do here is edit the content. So we click on our pencil tool, and here we have our editing area. So you can see very clearly this is the text which is on the center column of the home page. If we scroll down, you can see it's all there. Very nice. And this section up at the top here is very similar if you're used to using the likes of Word. It gives you really quite fundamental functions here for text changes. So we can highlight, if I highlight the word court and then click bold, it then pops it into bold. The same, we can remove the italics from it, so that's now non-italic, and we can add bullet points. We can align the text. So if we highlight the text and then say we want it obviously to the left or to the right or center, that's all fine. These are the most straightforward changes I can imagine that you'll need to make, and to actually make enter new content, to add new content, sorry, you'd simply click at the end of the column of that line of text, press enter on the carriage return, and then we can then just start typing this. Oops, this is a new text line. Okay, and yeah, that's all you need to do to just add new text. If we now just save this. While we've now saved this particular change, as we can see down here, it's not actually live on the website at this point. The only way that it becomes live on the website is by you clicking the large blue update button in the right hand corner. It's also down here as well, so depending on where you are, where you navigate to, the update button is always available to you. So if you've got a particularly deep page, then the button is always there, so you can then click and update it. So in this particular case, just very briefly, says it's loading, and now over here on the left hand side it says page updated. So the change that we made is now live on the site, and to confirm that, we'll just pop up visit site, scroll down, and there we have our new line of text. So I shall now change that back. So we go back up to edit page. Click on our little pencil. Scroll down. And we can literally just highlight the line and press delete. And bring it back to the beginning of the end of the last line. Save our change, update. We have our confirmation page updated. So you can click here to view the page, or you can, if you click here to view the page, obviously it'll show you, in this case, the home page that we've landed on. If for whatever reason you simply just want to view the front of the site, the home page of the site, simply hovering up here and clicking visit site will always take you to the home page of the site, regardless of which page you happen to have just edited. So if we now view our page, and we scroll down, and we see that that last line of text has disappeared now. So that's how easy it is just to change existing text within any page of the site. All pages are laid out in the same way, so you will always have that green bar and the pencil, which will allow you to click in and then edit the content of text that's within there. Okay, I hope that helps you.